and in this lesson we will learn from letter za to dad. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first letter is za. Za. Please read after me. Za. Za. Remember, za has whistle sound. Please read za with whistle sound. Za. Za. Like this. Za. Za. Please read after me. Za. 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 Let me explain you origin of za by illustration. This is inner view of mouth. This is tongue. And this is tip of tongue. These are lower front teeth. These are upper front teeth. Closing your teeth together and touching tip of tongue with the upper and lower front teeth which are highlighted. From here we can pronounce za. Za. Let me explain you one more time. This is tongue. This is tip of tongue. These are lower front teeth. These are upper front teeth. Closing your teeth together and touching the tip of tongue with upper and lower front teeth which are highlighted with green color. From here you can pronounce za. In simple words, tip of tongue touch with this area. I highlighted in green color. This area. Tip of tongue touch with right here. From here you can pronounce za. Please read after me. Za. 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 Our next letter is sheen. Sheen. Please read sheen with whistle sound like this. Sheen. Please read after me. Sheen. 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 Sheen is thin letter, read with thin sound and whistle sound. Sheen. 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 Let me explain you origin of sheen by illustration. This is inner view of mouth and this is tongue. This is tip of tongue. These are lower front teeth. These are upper front teeth. Closing your teeth together and touching the tip of tongue with upper and lower front teeth which are highlighted. Remember, this is tip of tongue and this is green area highlighted with green color. Over here, touch tip of tongue right here. From here you can pronounce sheen. So two parts we will use to pronounce sheen. Tip of tongue and this highlighted area. Sheen. Please don't forget to produce whistle sound in this letter. Whistle sound is very important. Seen. Because whistle sound is characteristics of seen. 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 Please read after me. Seen. 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 Next letter is sheen. Please read after me. Sheen. Please spread sound like sh, sh, sheen. To spread sound, it's very important. Sheen. Please read after me. Sheen. 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 Seen and sheen have similar shapes. Seen has no dot and sheen has 3 dots on top. Dots are very significant. Please remember their dots. And also don't take help from English writing. You can take some help at beginning from here, but at the same time you have to recognize the letter, because in Quran there is no English, so we have to recognize the letters. Sheen. Let me explain you origin of sheen by illustration. This is tongue and this is middle of tongue, middle part of tongue, and this is palate and this is middle part of palate. Using middle of tongue to touch the middle part of palate, from here you can pronounce sheen. One more time. This is tongue, this is middle part of tongue, this is middle part of palate. Using middle of tongue to touch the middle part of palate, from here we can pronounce sheen. Please read after me. Sheen. 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 Our next letter is Sad. 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 This is inner view of mouth. This is tongue. And this is tip of tongue. These are lower front teeth. These are upper front teeth. Closing your teeth together and touching the tip of tongue with the upper and lower front teeth, which are highlighted. From here you can pronounce Sad. One more time. This is inner view of mouth. This is tongue. This is tip of tongue, lower front teeth, upper front teeth. Closing your teeth together and touching the tip of tongue with the upper and lower front teeth, which are highlighted. From here, you can pronounce Sad, 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 Sad. Our next letter is Dad. Dad. Dad has full sound. Raise your tongue up toward the palate to produce full sound in Dad. That's very important. Please read after me. Dad. If you read with thin sound like dad, dad, this is wrong. What is right? Dad. This is right with full sound. Please read after me. Dad. 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 Let me explain you origin of Dad. This is inner view of mouth, this is tongue, and this is side of tongue. Please remember, use only side of tongue. Touch side of tongue with root of upper molars, right hand side or left hand side. Either way you can pronounce letter Dad. One more time. Side of tongue, touch with root of molars. Side of tongue, touch with root of molars. Right here. From here we can pronounce Dad. 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 Please read with full sound. Dad. Dad. Now this lesson is completed. Now you please practice this lesson 3 times a day for 3 days, and we will learn our next lesson soon, inshallah. If you have any question regarding this lesson or previous lessons, please ask in comments section below, and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah. Allah, Allah, Allah.